I want you to focus your eyes on the stage. I will remove myself shortly so that you can watch this slideshow. Again, I want to ask us once you're in this space. I know we like talk, but let's be silent, let's be quiet, especially when information is being shared so that we can hear. Right? When the time for the bashment, then we can make all the noise that you want, so we go party then. But in the meantime, I want us to be as silent as possible in this space. If you want to make noise and do whatever you want to do, you go yonder, back of the house yonder, so that we don't hear you. So let's put our hands together for Margaret Marie Castillo. Come on, let me hear you. We may not be able to see her physically right now, but we know that she's in this space spiritually, because when our soul leaves this mortal body, it continues to live, because we are spiritual beings having a human experience. So when the physical decides that I give up, the spiritual still continues. So now we'll have the all right. Your attention please for the slideshow. And we're live on DIFA, so try behaving yourself, because the whole world has seen no one behave. I've been told that some people don't know what a trash bag looks like. Some trash bags they are black, some are white, and some don't know the use of the trash bag. So when you don't dirty the place, that's what my classmates say. So please, don't litter the place. We have trash bag around. Please find a trash bag to put in your trash, please. Don't litter the place. Or be like me. I always have a bag, so I just put the trash in my bag if I not find my trash container. So don't dirty the place, man. And then tomorrow, the family will have to stay back and clean all of that. Let's not do that. Let's work with the family. Because when we go and rest, they continue, right? So let's make their lives as easy as possible. So I want to thank Maurice Herrera and DIFA for bringing this activity live all over the world. So the first part is the slideshow.
Ege be hu Sicily. Ege be hu Sicily.
I find a husband.
Correct. Hawaii.
Long ago in her young days, Margaret met the love of her life. Little boy is 6 years old, a little too used to being alone. Another new mom and dad, another school, another house that'll never be home.
Wait, they didn't stop.
When people ask him how he likes this place,
They added more
looks
students to their
up
building
and says with a smile upon his
The
face,
family was complete.
this is my temporary home. It's not where I
However, the heartbeat
belong.
for Margaret. They say the best is the last.
That I'm passing through. This is just a stop on the way to where I'm going. I'm not afraid because I know this is my temporary home. Young mom on her own. She needs a little help, got nowhere to go. She's looking for a job, looking for a way out.
The son that teaches
This halfway house will never be a home. At night she whispers to
she mastered the arts.
someday we'll find out. Love's here in this world. This is our temporary
Look at
home.
his
It's
reaction.
not where we belong. Windows and rooms that we're passing through. This is just a stop on the way to where we're going. I'm not afraid because I know this is our temporary home. Old man hospital bed. The room is filled with people he loves. And he whispers, don't cry for me. I'll
Her children
see
do not
you
request
all
this in Christ. They love and their children.
someday. Looks up and says, I can see God's face. This is my temporary home. It's not where I belong. Windows and rooms that I'm passing through. This was just a stop on the way to where I'm going. I'm not afraid because I know this was my temporary home. This is our temporary home.
Maggie loved light and dressed to impress.
Worthy like Marlene.
If you give a little more than you take, and if
Who
you
is
try
Marlene though?
to fix more then you break.
My
You're
favorite
the
content
kind
partner.
who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain. There's a place for
The
people
love her
like
siblings
you.
gave her was extraordinary. Just
If you
ask
stand
Cheryl.
up for those down on their knees,
The sister with the
lend a
most money,
voice to
starring
those
Sharon.
who
The girl starring
cannot
Sharon.
speak. If you shine a little light, give sight to the ones who lost their way. There's a place
Before?
for people like you. I've heard up there the streets are made of gold, and when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through, there's a place up there for people like you. If you walk around with your heart on your sleeve, and if you're trying to be
The bond of brothers and sisters are eternal.
if you lay down your life for love so someone could be saved, there's a place for people like you. I've heard up there the streets are made of gold, and when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your
Marie,
days
you
down
left
here,
behind your legacy.
there's a place up there for people like you.
Your impact on this team.
The group of women that came together.
I've heard up there the streets are made of gold, and when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through here, there's a place up there for people like you. I know you're out there, so keep doing what you do. 'Cause there's a place up there for people like you. Out of many one people we are.
Marie, I know you are watching. Please know you are loved by all your family, especially your nieces and nephews.
You've been in the dark with your restless heart long enough, waiting for the light with your eyes shut tight and your wings wrapped up. I always knew there'd come a day I'd have to watch you fly away. So fly, 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 butterfly. Let your colors paint the sky. Be beautiful and free.
Family is love.
That's where you're meant to be. Fly, 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 butterfly. Wherever you highs and lows, take my love. If you get turned around and you're feeling down, it'll lift you up. Don't fight the winds of change. Let them carry you away. Fly, 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 butterfly. Let your colors paint the sky. Be beautiful and free. That's where you're meant to be. Fly, 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 butterfly. Butterfly. It's hard, I know.
You will forever be missed. Mom, Auntie, Gran, and your Maggie, rest easy until we meet again.
When will I see you again? I don't know goodbye, a single word.
One, two. Let's put a hand together for Mrs. Lowry for an awesome job. Listen to me, we're not tributing, we're not at a funeral. Even a funeral, Maggie don't want no sadness like that, right? So put your hands together in appreciation for what. Like I said, we're honoring an outstanding woman. A woman who has touched so many lives. And one thing I loved about Maggie was that any favor you ask, well, me, she don't even know yet. I would come, I would meet her, have an idea. Or what do you think? Or have this, or this song here, I want the words. And I get a little crash course. Then I go sing and look good. Thinking that I'm me, but I don't mean I'm Maggie sometimes. But I say I would be right. You go get information, make it look good. And she was always about family. You see the video with all of their family members there? If you didn't know who her children were from the sisters, then you would have thought that all of those younger ones were her children. Because she was about family. They clicked together, which is a good thing. So again, let's put a hand together for Mrs. Lowry. At this time, I'm going to read a poem. So on the 23rd of December, I ended up at hospital, right? Not me, but I have to end up the hospital with somebody. And so 24th, admitted, and 24th I went there, and I passed the ward, the mechanized, and I ended up the Maggie ward. And so her sister Merlin was there, and her and her daughter Clarine. So when I watched her, they were concerned that one day she don't respond. So I look at her and I tell her, she's transitioning. So, for true, I say yes. So we need to pray. Pray that God will help her in the transition. And so I started to pray with them. And when we were finished, I did all the Catholic prayer that I knew. And then I said, she needs her final anointing. Came. Then we like she said, let's sing her favorite song. Like she said, let's sing her favorite song. So we call for Irene. I guess out one or two of them, but hey, rough Christmas. I don't get no anybody out there. Lula River projector. This is Lowry. Yes, so they call the names. Rev all of them call their names so that she can be assured that she's surrounded by all the love of the family, because all of them come on, the whole ward full up, I tell you. The whole ward, then the other patients, the people, you don't even know who are the people. Whole Maggie family, they're full of the hospital. Is that when they got concert, like how that's how they are? Right, so.
And they drive in.
Oh, they drive then?
Oh, yes.
Hey, because I move, I got into the patient. But she was surrounded by love. She was loved. That I never know if what about. So this poem, I like write poem, but I don't write this one. This one is about Maggie and it's entitled A Legacy in Motion. So good. The rhythm of the drums a heartbeat strong and deep. Echoes of the past, secrets that the elders keep. Margaret Castillo, a singer, dancer, a soul ignited, moved with grace and fire, a spirit sanctified. Her voice, a melody soul, a sweet and soulful sound, a vibrant tapestry where joy and sorrow abound. Garifuna spirit forever will endure from Paranda's sway. Paranda's sway, what is Paranda there? To Punta's vibrant beat. A mother, sister, friend, a beacon in the night, guiding generations with wisdom and with light. She taught the young to sing, to dance, to feel the beat, the rhythm of their ancestors, a sacred soulful treat. Now gathered to remember, her spirit takes its flight, but her legacy remains a radiant, guiding light. So let us dance and celebrate with joy and with acclaim the life of Margaret Castillo, forever imprinted in fame. Garifuna spirit forever will endure. Every woman, every man so bold, embrace the truth of heritage, a story to be told. Let the drums resound, a vibrant, soulful plea to honor her memory and let our culture be free. Margaret Castillo, a legacy in motion. So at this time we will call on Habaya Orani. And you know that Orani is togetherness. So Habaya means the grandchildren. So they are the younger folks, the younger Gayusa. He go. We need a stage manager. Where is the stage manager? Huh? I don't have We need 2 more chairs.
We gotta make Miss Maggie smile.
Then we'll call on Ugudarigi Cultural Group to please be ready. After Ugudarigi, Lubafu Wanarabo, please ready. And then Urani Cultural Group. Then Young Stars. Then Bogudi Boys. Then we'll have Wagerele Drummers, Nuru Ellis and the Garifuna Heartbeat, Bimeti Band, Bossa B Band. You have Papa John and YC. My time ends at 12:30, so then I hand over to Lord Byron. You know what with that, but you're not going to see pull again. All right, let's put our hands together, show some love. Agamba, now come on, let me hear you. Let me hear you. For Habaya Warren.
Margaret Castillo. She wrote this song because she was sick for her son Jonathan's birthday bash.